Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Janetta LaRose. Today's video is all about the Happy Planner. It is one of my favorite things is a Happy Planner. I can go on and on for days about how much I love this thing. So I just wanted to share a Happy Planner 101 with you guys, and hopefully you guys find this useful if you're just getting started with decorative planning as well. If you are new to my channel and not already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button. I post a ton of different videos from planning to beauty, hair, and also recipes, so it's really fun here, and I would really love it if you guys subscribed to the channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it and found it useful. You can also leave any comments or questions you have in the comments down below. I'll make sure to answer them for you guys. Or if you want another different type of video, either related to the Happy Planner or not related to the Happy Planner at all, I would, of course, film a video for you guys. So, enough of me rambling on, let's get started. Alright, so the Happy Planner is one of my favorite things. I stumbled upon it in like 2016. Before that, I just used normal planners that you can find at Target or Walmart. Just the normal, like, lined weekly planners that were very simple. So this right now is my current planner. This is the 12-month Soft Geos Happy Planner. So the reason why I chose the Happy Planner over different planner systems was that this one is fully customizable. They use the arcs instead of coils or like wire coils or anything like that, so you can easily snap on and snap off and fully customize your planner to fit your needs. So you can add different sheets in, whether they come from Happy Planner, another arc system or disc system, or you could create and DIY your own. I also have the mini. It is a lot smaller than this classic size. It is definitely a lot smaller than the big planner. Getting started with the classic, this is the one that most people purchase first off. This is the first planner that they came out with, the size. So I'm just going to show you September because this one is fairly empty. I don't have anything in it, and sorry if it's getting a little washed out. I have studio lights, but I will show you like detailed close-ups as well in the B-roll. So this is September. You first have your like monthly page. It comes with like monthly goals, don't forget, notes, birthdays, and then little currently section so you can write what you're currently doing for that month, like reading, painting, watching, loving, dreaming, etc. They have different like monthly pages. Then you have your monthly section, and then another thing I love is that you have your weekly section, and it's separated in vertical days from Monday through Sunday. And I love this because the weekends I normally have different objectives and different things to do, so the weekends are grouped together. So just to recap, there are several different sizes of the Happy Planner: the big, the classic, and the mini. So you can get 3 different sizes. The mini one is so tiny it can fit right into your purse, which is handy for on the go. The classic one is a little bit bigger, so you have a lot more room to write and decorate in. And then the big is huge. Those are mainly for like at home use. Those are good for teachers. They also have undated kits you can purchase, so those are good if you're just getting started and you don't really know where to start. They come with pins, with stickers, with washi, a ton of accessories, and they have different themed kits for like teachers or faith planners. Those come all undated, so you can start that whenever. So let's talk about extension packs. So extension packs are things that you can add to your planner if you didn't want to purchase the whole separate themed planner such as the fitness or the recipe. You can buy extension packs to add it to your planner. Sometimes they run like a 3 month system, sometimes they're 6 months, so you'll have to buy like 2 or 4 different packs in order to fit into your planner, but you can easily snap them on and off. So what makes the Happy Planner a lot different than the Erin Condren or the Michael's Recollection planners or anything like that, like Filofax or Foxy Fix or something like that, is that they use discs. So theirs always comes with like little hearts. It's so cute. So the good thing about this, again, it is completely customizable. So you can go ahead and if you don't like this shade of purple or whatever color is on your current Happy Planner, you can go and buy some and then just snap them on and it's perfect. Or if you wanted to create your own like sticker planner or recipe planner from scratch, you can buy the disc in both the big, the mini, and the classic size, or in plastic and metal, and you can create your own whatever you want to. It's so easy and fun. The part that makes everyone really happy about the planners are the stickers. They're all made to fit into your planner. So these are the ones just for the classic planner, but they also have the planner stickers for the mini and the big, so you don't have to worry about these not fitting. Of course, if you get the big or the classic ones, they will fit in the mini. They're not the perfect size, but you can also buy the mini stickers to stick wherever you want in your mini planner. If you're just starting out, I would highly suggest you going ahead and picking up this. This is the Happy Planner Hole Punch. This is the classic one, which would also work in the mini Happy Planner, and they also have the big hole punch. So if you have the big or the memory keeping, then those will be like the pink hole punch side. So every Happy Planner will come with its own cover. They are made out of thick, hard plastic. So if you're like me, you might experience some bending of the covers. I just get them on the edges sometimes, like right here. So what you can do is you can buy, there's two different types of covers that you can buy for Happy Planner. So this one is a harder plastic durable one. It doesn't bend at all, which is really good if you're like throwing it into your bag. You have your edges that are covered and it's really good. It has like the disc punch, so you can just snap it into your planner. You can also get the like soft binder type of planner covers, and those are so nice. They have an area I think you can put your pen and stuff in. I want to get one of those, but I've been waiting. I have my eye on like a rose gold one that they have. Also, if you don't like the cover that comes with your planner, you can buy other decorative planners. They have them at every craft store, so you can go ahead and buy them and snap them into your planner. They come with the front and a back of the planners. You can also DIY them. I think Happy Planner had like your own DIY sheet, so you can stick scrapbook or paper or photos or anything like that in them and DIY them yourselves. I do have 2 videos showing you how to DIY your own Happy Planner cover, so I'll leave them in the cards above as well as in the description below if you're interested, and you can also go to my playlist and watch those. I have a Christmas one and a normal one. So where can you buy the Happy Planner? I purchase my Happy Planner stuff from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Those are the 2 where you can use coupons, so if you don't want to buy anything full price. They also have really great sales and deals on the Happy Planner. Like, the obsession is real, so it gets kind of costly. It's like makeup and nail polish. You just buy and buy and buy, and then all of a sudden you're broke. So I like to go there, but you can also buy them at Joann's. I think they launched there recently, and I've seen people purchase them at Walmart, and of course happyplanner.com, and I think Amazon has some stuff too. Decorative planning is so new, and it can get very overwhelming because there's just so much stuff now, and you're probably like starting from scratch and you have no idea where to start. So there's a couple of planning resources I definitely suggest you like look out for. So the first one is YouTube. So if you're watching this video, you're probably already interested in decorative planning, or maybe you just like ran across my videos. Hey, subscribe. But YouTube is a really great source for planner inspiration, also for how-tos, as well as plan with me videos. So those are just showing you your weekly spread in the planner. I uploaded one last week, I believe, so I'll have that in the cards up above as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. But plan with me videos are like the biggest source of inspiration. You can buy stickers from the Happy Planner. However, Etsy has a crap ton of Happy Planner stickers. You can even get Erin Condren stickers and use them as well if like a shop doesn't create Happy Planner stickers. A lot of people create Erin Condren stickers, but you can use them as well. But it can be very overwhelming. So my thing I like to do is relax like in the morning with some coffee and just watch a couple of Plan With Me videos. I'll leave a few of my favorite Plan With Me channels down below. They're a really great resource, and it's always just fun to see what people do with the stickers. Also, Facebook is a really good resource. I am in a couple of different Happy Planner groups, so I'll leave them down below as well. And then also Instagram, ton of different Instagram girls. All you have to do is search for the Happy Planner or hashtag Happy Planner, and there's a ton of different girls and guys out there too. Whew. So this is quite a lengthy video. Hopefully you guys found it very helpful. I absolutely love the Happy Planner, and I love decorative planning. It is so fun, and I just really enjoy it. So if you guys have any questions on how you can get started or anything of the sort, definitely let me know in the comments. I will try to answer them as best as I can. It is so fun to me, and I'm really glad I found it. It's like my favorite thing, my absolutely favorite thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you made it to the end of this video and you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy planning!